Hello, today I will talk about AAA Trading, unmasking the truth. AAA Trading is not a regulated or reputable broker. They claim to be SciSec licensed, but a quick check on the official SciCC website reveals a stark reality. It's a lie. This lack of regulation alone should be a giant red flag, yet unsuspecting individuals continue to fall prey to their predatory tactics. Is AAA Trading legit or a scam? The short answer is no. AAA Trading is not a legit broker. AAA Trading is a disguised broker with some warnings from reputable authorities. Also, their previous clients' history is not good enough to trust them. We will show more details in further sections. Read our AAA Trading broker review for more details. You will get the link in this video description. Red flags and warning signs. Depositing to AAA Trading might seem easy, but prepare for a nightmare when it comes to withdrawals. Numerous user reports detail unexplained delays, minimum withdrawal requirements, and even outright refusal to process requests. AAA Trading boasts a range of account types, each promising various benefits. However, upon closer inspection, the descriptions are vague, lacking crucial details about spreads, leverage, and hidden fees. If bad things happen, where can you get the quick solution? You can contact us through the form on our website. You will get a free consultation and service recommendations to get help in recovering the lost fund. Contact us at brokercomplainalert.com.